Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2016 Honda CBR300R. This lightweight sport bike is fuel injected, liquid cooled, only 10,000 miles on this gorgeous satin black CBR300 lightweight sport bike. Make your motorcycle dreams come true for just $34.99. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Come on by and check it out. Make us an offer. If we can do it, we will. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.